Hello guys, I hope you're all doing well at home. In today's video, I'll be sharing the latest Indigo cabin crew vacancy dates and locations, so stay tuned till the end. You might be thinking that only a few interviews will be conducted in the month of October. Dear, it is not so. More dates will be updated later. Let's get started. The 1st of October, Mumbai. The 1st of October, Bengaluru. The 3rd of October, Bagdogra. The 3rd of October, Kolkata. The 4th of October, Delhi. The 4th of October, Darjeeling. The 5th of October, Mumbai. The 6th of October, Pune. The 6th of October, Kochi. The 7th of October, Guwahati. The 7th of October, Lucknow. The 7th of October, Indore. The 8th of October, Delhi. The 8th of October, Shillong. The 9th of October, Mumbai. The 9th of October, Imphal. The 9th of October, Chandigarh. The 10th of October, Kolkata. The 10th of October, Dehradun. The 11th of October, Noida. The 13th of October, Bagdogra. Thank you for watching.